Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Power BI to the Claude Desktop in just 5 minutes. And yes, you require just 5 minutes to connect this and you just need to follow this setup guide here. So I have mentioned all the steps here clearly step by step. Everything I have added in this guide, you just need to follow these steps. I have provided this guide in the description so you can check it out from there. Just click on this link, go to the website, and there you will get the option to download. Just click on the download and do the next. You will easily download all these applications. So here you can see this is for the Claude, and the last one is for the VS Code. Then you should have all this application downloaded in your system. So once this is downloaded, what you need to do, just go to the VS Code. So once you open the VS Code, you need to go here in the extension, just click on this. You will see you can download some of the extension from the marketplace from here. You need to type Power BI. Once you type here, you can see Power BI Modeling MCP server. So this is the Power BI Modeling MCP server, which brings the Power BI semantic model capabilities to your agent. So for that, just click on this one. Here you can see currently I have option to uninstall this one because I have already installed. If you are not installed this and first time you are visiting this Power BI Modeling MCP server, you will get the option to install. You just need to click on the install option and it will get installed automatically. And if you want to know more details about the Power BI Modeling MCP server, here you can see the document. You can go through this. So the next step is we need to find out the extension we have downloaded. So we need to find out this folder starting with the analysis services Power BI Modeling MCP. So let's do that. So for that, you just need to click on the Windows E and open the folder. Once it is open, just put this link which I have provided and just click on this. And you can see all the extension which are downloaded using the VS Code you can see here. And this one is for the Power BI Modeling MCP server. You can see the extension here. Now the next step is you need to copy the server path. Okay, so for that you need to go to the inside server folder and find Power BI Modeling MCP.exe file. So let's do that. So for that, let's go here, click on this. And here you can see the server folder. Just click on this. Here you will see all the folders here. Here you can see this exe file. Just click on this and click on the properties. And here you will get the location for this one. Just copy this one location and paste it somewhere. So I have pasted my path here, like see users username. You can put your username here and you can modify the path here as well. Or the other way, you can copy. Better you can go to the Power BI Modeling MCP.exe and copy the path. Now the next step is you need to replace all the single backslash with the double backslash. Now the next step is we need to edit the Claude Desktop configuration. So for that, we need to open the Claude Desktop and go to the settings and developer. So let's go to the Claude. You can see I'm using the free version here. You don't need to pay anything for this connection. So for that, just click on this one, go to the settings. Once you come to the settings, here you need to go to the developer. And here you can see you have the option to edit the configuration. So once you click on the edit configuration, you will come to this path. And here you can see the Claude Desktop config. Just click on this and open with Notepad. So right now I have made the changes here. You can directly copy and paste the path here. And I will provide this JSON file as well in the this guide setup I have already provided. So you can see here, I have already provided this. You just need to replace the file content with the JSON, this JSON, and you need to paste the path here. That's it, and it's all done. And you can save the file using Control S. And once this is done, you can relaunch your Claude Desktop. So let's see how the Claude is working after the connection. So these are the just simple steps you need to follow while connecting a Claude with the Power BI. But if you still have any question related to the connection, you can put down that in the comment section. So once it is done, just go here. You can see the configuration here once you restart your Power BI, and here I have already connected and it is running. So once the configuration is done, come to your Power BI desktop and open your .pbix file. Just write connect to my Power BI desktop application. So just write connect to my Power BI desktop application and just send it. So right now it is connecting. So it's asking, let me first check for any local Power BI desktop instances running on your machine. And yes, it found out a pizza cell, that report which is already open, and it has shown me some summary as well and what Power BI can done for this one. So you can do a multiple things using a Claude AI. So this is just the example. You can write a description for the column. You can create a DAX, measure and calculated columns. But in the next video, I will show you what kind of other things also you can do using a Claude and Power BI. If you want more such topics, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video till the end and have a nice day.